I'm Gloria Strauthers, founder and CEO of Exodus Management and Consulting, LLC. Are you aware that 20 to 40% of your revenue is actually lost due to process inefficiencies? And yet many companies continue to make do with their current systems, even though they may not be the right solutions. So the real question you should be asking, right, is how much are your broken processes costing you? If you're curious about finding this answer and if saving money is your end game, then I want to invite you to come see me live in Orlando, Florida on February 23rd at 2023 Cleaning Festivals hosted by Gem Supply. This event is free and I encourage you to register, grab a pen and a pad and write this website down. Visit https://cleaningfestival.com. Again, my name is Gloria Strauthers, and I look forward to seeing you in Orlando.